Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of GST Updates. Today we are going to talk about brand sharing arrangements, its GST implications, its valuations, etc. So let's get straight into it. So we all have heard about Tata Power, Tata Chemicals, TCS, etc. all using the same brand name called Tata. So most businesses in India are having this concept of sharing the brand name within their group companies, be it Tatas, Adanis, Birlas, etc. So it's more of a strategy rather than a legacy. But what most businesses do not realize is that all these brand sharing arrangements are in fact taxable under GST, even if they are made without considerations. So if you have a company or a group company or a subsidiary company using the brand name which is registered in your name, you should start billing it with GST. Now the next question lies herein is what should be the valuation of it? Recently, Mahindra and Mahindra got a demand of whopping 146 crores, wherein their valuation of such brand sharing arrangements were questioned. Now, how Mahindra responded to it is that they have already been issuing tax invoices to their group companies, plus they have been the tax invoices are billed at the declared value, which is in terms of Rule 28 of the CGST rules, and the recipients were allowed full input tax credit. Therefore, the valuation cannot be questioned. The department in fact acknowledged their submissions and dropped the demand of 115 crores out of the total 146 crores on the logic that the recipients were allowed full input tax credit, and therefore the valuation is not being questioned. So this ruling or this adjudication process sets out a strong precedent that if you have the right knowledge and the right structure, and if your proper compliance is at place, then you may in fact benefit from the law. So if you have any group companies sharing their brand names and you want to know more about this valuation rule and how you should be invoicing your brand sharing arrangements, do connect with us. Thank you so much. Please follow for more.